How to add background in CapCut. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to add background in CapCut. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our CapCut right here, then click on new project. Then after you have clicked that, you can add in the video that you want to add. So for me, I'll add this video. Click on add right here. And then from in there, you can see that this is the video that I chosen. So if I want to add, this will be the background. So what I need to add next is to add an overlay. Then click on add overlay right here. And I can add the video of the person. So for example, this is that person, so I can resize it. And what I need to do next is to just remove the background of this person. So what I need to do is just click on cut out. Click on cut out right there. Then click on remove background. And then click on, as you can see right here, the background has been removed. So just click on the check mark right here. Then as you can see, as the video progresses, this person also has this background from them. You can resize it whatever you want, so I will resize it to be like this, and then I can just cut it off on this specific part where the person disappears. So this is around right here, so you can also adjust it whatever you want. So I can split it and then remove it, click on delete, and then you can also split it and then remove it also, and then that's it. Just click on this export button right here, and this video will be exported, although it will be longer, but it will be exported. So just click on OK and it will be exported. So that's all process. I hope this video helped to add background and CapCut. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.